The winter storm outside is making a very loud, scary whistling noise today.
Welcome, sir. Please bring the antique storage trunk inside the hallway corner.
This old chest is extremely heavy, ma'am. Do not open the side latches. I must fetch the delivery papers from my white van outside. Stay here.
That dark antique chest looks very mysterious and strange, Mom. Look closer.
Thump! Thump! The heavy iron lock plates are vibrating on the wood.
Wait, something is alive inside that trunk. Did you hear that movement? The family is distracted. Get ready to open the main lock latch. Over. I hear you inside the chest. What are you doing in there? The delivery man is an accomplice. A thief is hiding inside the trunk. Mom! Do not let that man back inside. The chest contains a person. Ben? What's wrong? Calm down, Ben. Stop playing silly pirate detective mystery games right now. I am serious. The chest lock just moved. He is going to slide out.
It is just an old piece of wood expanding in the house heat.
See, the heavy iron side latch just flipped open. The danger is real.
Wait, that metal sound did feel very wrong. Let us check the door. We must use maximum stealth strategy, so the thief does not hear us.
I am your official security guard, Mom. I will block the lock plates.
The hallway is clear. I am sliding out of the box now.
Down! Stay inside the box, monster! I am trapping your fingers right now.
Oof! My hand is trapped! The kid is blocking the exit latch! See ya, Lick. The main front door is locked. The delivery man is blocked outside.
Open this door, lady. Let me inside to finish the delivery job.
Never! I know your secret trick. The city police squad is coming fast.
Sit on the lid, Mom! We must use our gravity weight to hold.
Hold on to my shoulders, Ben. Do not let the lid lift up.
Flashing blue lights activated. The emergency police chase is finishing right here.
Hooray! The rescue squad arrived just in time to capture the targets.
Freeze, delivery man! Drop the tire tool and raise your hands high. I surrender. The kid's fast broom action completely destroyed our robbery operation. Step off the lid, family. The police squad will handle the box monster.
My knuckle hurts. That kid has a very powerful broom block strike.
Excellent work, Ben. Your quick defensive strategy saved your family's home today.
You are my brave little savior, Ben. I am so incredibly proud.
The perimeter zone is secure. The danger is officially finished for today.
You are the smartest junior police captain inside this entire city neighborhood.
Drink this sweet liquid fuel, son, to restore your energy levels now.
My throat was very dry from the high panic trunk emergency, Mom.
This medal belongs to the master defender of our household security vault.
The winter storm is clearing. Ah, look at the beautiful sun breaking through. Good morning, Mom. The dangerous black metal chest is permanently gone today.
Eat your breakfast food, children. We have a beautiful weekend ahead of us.
The garden mud is dry, but the whole wide world is open.
Look! A real flying bird is sitting exactly where the bad guy stood.
You are the greatest treasure and protector inside this entire family house.
The wheels are sliding fast. No friction blocks my tiny racing car.
This beautiful memory will remind us that family teamwork wins every battle.
I am going to write a complete comic book series about chest secrets.
True family vigilance can unlock any difficult problem or real-world danger boundary.
I thought the trunk was a furniture toy. But love saved home. Let us install a new heavy-duty metal strike plate for extra protection.
Longer screws go deep into the wall stud timber, maximizing our strength.
Does this tiny plastic spacer block help stop a heavy door kick? It might, Ben. It adds a little more friction to the latch.
Yes. It distributes the kinetic energy force evenly across the whole wooden beam.
Ah. Energy distribution acts like a shield wall against a brute force strike.
The window boundary is officially sealed tight against any sneaky nighttime backyard raids.
Time for a delicious hydration break for my excellent home safety team today.
Our front entrance hallway is now the most secure fortress in the neighborhood.
Planning ahead is the ultimate secret weapon to prevent any future panic mistakes.
An organized garage tool chest means we are always ready for emergencies. I will use the small plastic safety knife to chop these green cucumbers.
Fresh vitamins give our bodies the maximum brain power to solve daily puzzles.
Mom, how do our eyes recognize a shape pattern so fast in dark? Well, Ben, it's because our brains remember shapes we've seen.
Our brain constantly scans for familiar contrast lines to identify objects quickly, Ben.
Ah! Contrast helps us see the edge lines even in low-light situations. This simple homemade meal tastes like total family victory comfort food tonight, Mom. Oh, I'm so glad you think so, sweetie.
The video stream is perfectly clear, and the garden fence looks completely secure.
Our technology defense loop is active. No sneaky phantoms can surprise us now.
The safety badge on my sweater sleeve is reflecting the lamplight beautifully.
A quiet and secure house allows our minds to rest with complete peace.
Good morning, Mom. Our new heavy-duty metal strike plate looks incredibly solid today. Let us let the fresh summer air wind blow into our living room.
I bought sweet red strawberries to celebrate our permanent home safety victory, Ben.
Organizing our storage spaces makes the house look so magnificent and beautiful, Mom. That's so true, Ben. Thank you for helping me.
Here is your morning calculation fuel, Captain. Enjoy your calm weekend day.
Thanks, Mom. This fruit fuel gives my body maximum acceleration energy to play soccer later.
The outdoor lane is completely clear for our athletic agility training session, Ben.
Watch my foot control skills, Mom. Ah! I'll weave through the cones fast. That's right, Ben. You got this.
A little bit of preparation turns any scary past memory into peace.
Goal. The training exercise is complete. The yellow team wins the championship game.
The big sun is setting. Time to return to our indoor base.
Look at our picture, Mom. Officer Jake looks like a real movie star. The gold medal is resting next to my small plastic toy car, Lucas. Mom, why do the silver stars twinkle so brightly in the night sky? Well, Ben, that's because of the atmosphere.
The starlight moves through moving air wind, which shifts its direction slightly.
Ah. The moving air wind acts like a shifting glass mirror for light.
Drink this warm milk, Captain, to relax your muscles before sleeping hours.
Thank you for building such a secure and happy home for us, Mom.
A simple delivery trunk mystery can teach a whole world of family love. The house doors are locked tight. You are perfectly safe, my beautiful love.
Good night, twinkling wind stars. Good night, heavy metal lock chest. Our fortress is safe.
The clock is our friend when we prepare our gear with care.
No more hidden phantoms or sneaky thieves can surprise our family team hallway.
The old fears are locked up, but the whole wide world is open.
The wheels are sliding fast. Zero friction blocks my tiny racing car vehicle.
You are the greatest treasure and protector inside this whole wide house.
I am going to write an entire comic book series about safety loops.
I will draw the gold badge lines on your comic paper, Ben. True family teamwork can solve any difficult mystery or real-world problem boundary.
I thought the trunk was a furniture toy. But love saved home.